Okay guys, we're going to be continuing our study of differentiating natural log functions, this time with some slightly more complicated questions. So I want to differentiate this thing here, x squared times by ln 3x plus 1. And hopefully what you notice is that this is one function, x squared, multiplied by another function, ln 3x plus 1. And so as we discussed in the exponential videos, when we've got one function multiplied by another function, this is the product rule. Okay, product rule. Okay, and we know that the product rule is y prime is equal to v times by du dx plus u times by dv dx. And so this thing here, our x squared, is our u, and this thing here, the natural log, is our v. So we're going to have to start by differentiating both of these. So if u is equal to x squared and v is equal to ln 3x plus 1, then differentiating u will give me 2x, and differentiating v using the things that we learned in the previous video will give me 3x plus 1 on the denominator, and I differentiate that to get 3, and I stick that on the numerator. So if we want to put this inside our product rule, we're going to have v, which is ln 3x plus 1 times by du dx, which is 2x, I'm going to put that at the front, plus u x squared times by dv dx, which is 3 over 3x plus 1. Okay, and I should probably simplify that a little bit. I'm going to write that instead as 3x squared. Okay, and so that will be there, my final answer. Okay, well, let's try another example. Let's say that we want to differentiate y is equal to x to the power of 4 over ln 3x. Okay, what you should notice here is that we've got one function divided by another function. And so when we've got one function divided by another function, we will have to use the quotient rule. Okay, quotient rule. Okay, and the quotient rule is v du dx minus u dv dx all over v squared. So our top function there is u, our bottom function is v. So we're going to have to first differentiate both of those. So u is equal to x to the 4, and v is equal to ln 3x. So if I differentiate both of these, my u prime will be 4x cubed. My v prime, well, I'll stick the 3x on the denominator. I differentiate that, I get 3, and I stick 3 on the numerator. And you should recognize that I can cancel off. If I cancel, I'm just left with 1 over x. Okay, well then let's just substitute this into our quotient rule. So y prime will be equal to v times by du dx, that's 4x cubed times by ln 3x, minus u times by dv dx, so that's going to be x to the power of 4 times by 1 upon x, all over v squared. So that will be ln 3x all to the power of 2. Okay, and hopefully you can recognize as well with this expression here, the x to the power of 4 times by 1 upon x, we can simplify that and instead rewrite it as x cubed. So I'm just going to get rid of that, write that as x cubed. Okay, and this thing here can also simplify the 4x, sorry, no, that cannot simplify, beg your pardon. Okay, right, I hope that was helpful. I'll see you again next time.